On the shore, crowds gather, combing the horizon for any sign of survivors. Ambulances and rescue boats rush to the scene to await orders, and a growing sense of dread is tangible among the onlookers. 9 miles out to sea, this is the scene that awaits rescuers. They have little more to go on than a patch of debris floating on the surface. The wreckage of the Lion airplane and the rest of its passengers lie up to 35 meters below. According to authorities, the aircraft's emergency locator transmitter had not sent out a distress signal, making it extremely difficult to find. Items such as mobile phones, handbags and clothing have been found, along with the body parts of some of the victims. It is not immediately known what caused the Boeing 737 MAX 8 to plummet into the ocean just 13 minutes after takeoff. Although the aircraft had been in use for just 2 months, the plane had undergone maintenance work for a technical fault on Sunday night. The problem had reportedly been fixed according to procedure, but Lion Air did not elaborate on the nature of the issue. Relatives of the passengers waited for news of their loved ones in both Jakarta and Pengkal Penang. However, with the nature of the rescue operation so complex, they will be waiting a long while yet. Luke Barber, Euronews.